It's time to sell the PlayStation 4 Pro. I had the Red Dead Redemption Edition on the day it got released. Great games, great times. The fan on this PS4 Pro was quieter than the previous models. And that's the model number to get if you're planning to get a PS4 Pro. As you know, in my previous videos I've upgraded to the PS5 Pro. So I placed a PS4 Pro on eBay, buy it now, collection only, sold it for £129. The final fees from eBay came to £11.58. That leaves me with £170 and 42 pence. When you list an item for collection only, you can arrange to meet the buyer at a location. Then you will need them to give you a 6-digit code for you to confirm the collection. This code is important so your payments is not on hold. The PS4 Pro was on Facebook Marketplace and Gumtree, but I had no luck. So for me the quickest way to sell was on eBay. But if you're not in a rush and you want to avoid the fees, then Facebook or Gumtree is the best place. Happy gaming guys, peace.